There's times that an important document that you want to get into Trustworthy is on a web page. Let's say in this example, I've just submitted a medical insurance claim. I get a claim confirmation page. I want to capture that page and send it to my medical insurance tile inside Trustworthy. Our Chrome extension can help you with that. If you open up your Chrome extension while you're looking at the web page, one of the options here is screenshot. And if you click on screenshot, it'll capture that page and you can send it anywhere in Trustworthy. At this point, I'm going to send it to the inbox and we'll go take a look at it inside Trustworthy. So now we see that claim submission confirmation has landed in my inbox back in Trustworthy. I can preview that file and see that it's in here. I can see a little bit of information about it. And then depending on the makeup of your site, it might know exactly where to file that. And here it's telling me to put it in my insurance category under medical insurance. I have something there called Care Source Reynolds Family Medical Insurance. If I click this arrow, it'll take me right to that spot. And I happen to have a claims additional files section. I'm going to move it there.